1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey Jason,
Hello.
do you want to play some soccer?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job, high five.
Let's shoot the ball. Blue. Yellow. Yay! Let's play another game.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Let's do some magic. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Look kids, I got some construction clothes for Jason. Jason, I got some construction clothes for you.
Whoa, thank you. Let's start the building.
Let's go! Wow.
Whoa, this is a kitchen.
Is that a kitchen?
Yeah, this. This way.
Yeah. Put it on here.
The front is finished.
Okay, let's now continue with the back. Come on.
Come.
Okay, let's put it on.
Yeah, finished.
Yeah. Okay, let's now do the inside.
Hello.
Hey Jason, you forgot your phone.
There. The house is finished. Let's go inside.
Wait a second.
Yes?
Where's my house?
There. Come.
Is this my house?
Yes.
I have to live in a box. Well, okay then. Bye bye.
Bye bye kids. Bye bye.